Are you ready for some fun? Today, we're gonna be drawing Frank. I love this character. He's gonna be so much fun. And don't worry, I'll keep it nice and easy so yours will turn out awesome. Let's get started. We're gonna find the middle of our paper. We're just gonna draw a straight line across. Starting over on this side, I'm gonna do a mountain coming up and over. Over on this side, I'm gonna draw a line coming straight up. And on this side, the same thing. Just below that, I'm gonna draw a straight line coming across. So it kind of sticks out a little bit on each side. From there, I want to curve my corners so they're not sharp right angles. I'm just doing a little curve up. And then I'm going to come up nice and high with a straight line coming up. Same thing on the other side, bringing it up nice and tall, straight up. They're about even. Now right in the middle here, a little ways, I'm gonna do a little more than my first knuckle of my finger, so up about right here, I'm gonna draw a straight line coming across. It goes just past the outsides of his mouth. Now, just above this line right there, I'm going to draw a circle and color it in on that side. I'm going to do the same thing over on this side. Drawing a circle and coloring it in. Over here, coming from there, I'm going to do a diagonal line coming in. Same thing on the other side, a diagonal line coming in. Now I'm going to do some zigzags. So I'm going to go down, I'm going to go up, down, up, down, up, down, and up. Over on this side, I'm going to curve out right where these two lines attach. I'm going to curve out. And I'm going to curve it across. So now I'm coming almost straight across. And then I'm going to curve it down to attach. All right, over on this side, we have his mouth right here. I'm going to come over to the side, right about a little above the bottom of the mouth. I'm going to draw a line coming out. I'm going to draw a curved line coming up to just below the eyes. And I'm going to draw a straight line in, attaching. I want it straight across on the other side because I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm going to draw a little line coming out. Let's see, right about with this one. A little line coming out. And a curved line attaching them. From the top, I'm going to draw a line that just curves up and attaches. Same thing here, curves up and attaches. Then out here, just a little bit below right here, I'm going to do a follow along line that just follows. Same thing over here, start a little below and just follows. And I'm going to follow it all the way across the top like that. Perfect. Now right in the middle, right here, I'm going to draw a V right in the center. The bottom of my V, I'm going to draw a line coming straight across. I'm going to draw some short lines on the sides. And then I'm going to attach those so I made a nice rectangle. Just inside the edge here, I'm going to draw a slight diagonal. Same thing on the other side, just a little bit in. I'm going to draw a slight diagonal. And then from one side to the other, I'm just going to draw a straight line coming across and see how it passes just a little bit on each side. From there, I'm going to draw a line coming up to almost touch. From this outer edge, I'm going to draw a diagonal coming right across it. Over here, I'm going to draw a diagonal as well, coming out. And same thing over here, I'm going to draw a line curving in, just a little bit. Over here, I'm going to come out to just the edge right here and draw a line curving down and out just a little bit. Same thing on this side, down and out. You can have it come straight down and attach, straight down and attach. Now over here, I'm just going to draw a line going out. It has a slight diagonal up, but just barely. Same thing on the other side, almost straight out with a slight diagonal up. I'm going to draw a curved line coming up, about halfway up his little headphones right there. Same thing on this side, about halfway up his headphones. Now I'm going to draw a little diagonal in and a diagonal in. Draw a diagonal coming back the other way and back the other way. From there, I'm going to draw a diagonal and a diagonal. Same thing on this side, diagonal down, diagonal back. So here we have our highest point right now. I'm going to come just to the side of it. I'm going to do a line coming straight up. Same thing on the other side. There's my point. I'm going to come down just a little bit and draw a straight line coming up. I'm going to draw a curved line over the top and it's going to come back down. Same thing here, a slight curve and it brings back down right to that other side. Over here, about halfway down, I'm going to draw a line over and down, in and up. So it's almost like a rectangle. Another line over, see how it's just below that line, down, over, and in. And one more, just a little lower, over, down, and in. Those are going to be his fingers. And from the outside of that last finger, I'm going to draw a line that curves just a little bit in to right there. So it's just even right there. We're going to do the same thing over here. So halfway between here, we're going to come and make a short line coming over. We're going to bring it down. It's almost lined up with the bottom right there. I'm going to curve it in and attach. I'm going to go a little bit lower, over, straight down, over and attach. Drop it down a tiny bit for one last one, over, down, in. So I've got my rectangles there that make his fingers. Starting on the outside of that last finger, I'm gonna just slightly curve in till I'm even right there. From there, I'm gonna bring it in. Same thing on the other side. Bring it in. And then from there, I'm just gonna do a curved swooping line that attaches. I'm gonna swoop this one down and attach. Now right here along this line, I'm just gonna make a zigzag. So I'm gonna go out, in, out, attach. Same thing on the other side. Out, in, out, attach. From over here, I'm gonna draw a line, coming a little bit in, just a slight diagonal. Same thing over here, a slight diagonal. Let me smooth that one out. It's a little, there we go. That's a little better. I'm gonna find the middle, and here's the bottom of my lines. I'm gonna go up just a little bit, and I'm gonna make a little line across. From the middle of that line, I'm gonna draw an upside down V. Now I can come over here and I'm gonna do some more zigzags. Same thing on this side. Zigzag. So it has a nice little space in the middle. Then I'm gonna draw a line coming straight down and a little bit longer line coming straight down. Off of this point, I wanna match. So these two are about the same. And out here, it's gonna be like this one. It's gonna be just a little bit shorter. From here, I'm gonna do just a slight diagonal. And over here, the same thing, slight diagonal. I wanna curve and do a curved line coming out and attach. Same thing over here. I'm gonna curve it so it's a little rounded, comes out, and it's gonna attach. Starting over here, I am gonna do just a little diagonal 1, 2. Same thing on this side, 1, 2, to give him some toes. That's about it. The one thing I wanna do, I want his eyebrow a little thicker. So I'm just gonna draw a little line coming up and a little line coming up. And then I'm gonna just follow from this side over to this side. And I'm gonna color that in to give him a thicker eyebrow. There we go. I like that a lot better. All right, that's it. Now I think Frank is ready to be colored. Let's go. Are you ready to see my final drawing? There it is. I bet yours turned out even more amazing. Yours is probably so good and you should be so proud. Don't worry, it shouldn't look anything like mine because yours is your style and your masterpiece. I'm proud of you for finishing this video. Please come back for more, but that means you're gonna have to like, you're gonna have to subscribe, and you're gonna have to make sure you visit our channel so we can do more How to Draw.